Today I'm going to show you how to make long videos using NotebookLM step by step in a simple and effective way. First, go to the official NotebookLM website and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, the first thing you need to do is create a new workspace. Click on the option that says New Notebook. After opening your new notebook, you need to add the content that will become your video. Click on the option to add text and choose Copied Text. Now paste all the information you want to include in your video. This can be a full script, research content, detailed notes, or even a long article. The key here is clarity and structure. If your text is well organized with clear sections and ideas, the final video will come out much better and more professional. Once your text is ready, move to the right side of the screen where you'll see additional tools and options. Look for the feature that says Video Summary and click on it. When you click it, a new window will appear. This is where the most important part happens. Here, you need to write a clear and specific prompt explaining exactly what you want the video to look like. For example, you can specify the tone of voice, whether it should sound professional, educational, motivational, or conversational. You can also mention if you want strong hooks, smooth transitions between sections, or a clear call to action at the end. Very important. This is also where you must clearly state the duration of the video. If you want a long video, you need to write something like, create a 10-minute detailed video, or make this an 8-minute in-depth explanation. The more specific you are about the length, the better the platform will expand and structure the content. After writing your prompt and setting the duration, choose the animation or visual style that best fits your content. Once everything is configured, click Create. Now the system will begin processing your content. This may take a few minutes depending on the length of your video. When it's finished, you'll be able to preview the full video directly inside the platform. If everything looks good, you can download it to your computer and use it for YouTube, social media, or any other platform. And that's how you create long videos using NotebookLM in a simple and automated way. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.